Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change slide size in Google Slide. So if you want to change the slide size in Google Slide, here I can get it done. So if you want to change the size, just head over and tap on File. So scroll down a little, then tap on Page Setup. So from here you have another drop down button where you can change your slide size option. So we have 4 options right here. First option is the standard option, which is 4.3 ratios, which is the current standard slide that we are using currently in my design. This is it right here. You see from here to here. This is it. If you want to change the size, you can just go from the white size, which is 16:9. Just tap on this, then you notice the changes. Tap on apply. Notice that the changes is not kind of more reflective. So let's do it again. Let's go for page setup, and we'll go for 16:10, and click on apply. See other different changes. You see it changed a little. So if you want to make it more obvious, just go again and tap on custom. So from this custom, you can change the entire setup, start from the inches. If you want it to be in centimeter or pixel or point, you can change it. You can also change your pixel from 960 to 500, which is going to change it drastically. And from 500 you can change to 900, from 600 you can change to 900. There's 900 pixel, then you tap on apply. You can see the difference, and that is how to change slide size in Google Slide. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.